All right, we're going to start by removing these two external screws on the battery pack. It would remove the battery pack and set that aside. And then now we'll remove these four external screws on the main housings. And we're going to focus on the back housing assembly. So removing the sensors in slot 4 or 5. If you have a blank sensor, look like this, you could just pull up and out and set that aside. If you have an actual sensor in this slot, when pulling up, make sure that the plastic piece comes up with it. So we'll set that aside now and grab our replacements. For installing the blank sensor, you'll notice on the bottom edge there's a bit of a cutout here. We want that to align in this corner with the sensor connector. Just be mindful as you place that in and flat. And the same goes for aligning one of these additional sensors up top. You'll see the connector on the edge sticking out. Make sure that aligns with the connector in the bottom of the instrument. And just press that down firmly. From here, we'll just line up the front and back housings together and tighten down these four external screws to the torque value listed in the product manual. And then just insert the battery pack like so and power down the unit when it turns on. Just need to torque down these two external screws to that value listed in the product manual.